Salutations, my name is Drew, and today I'm going to learn about the properties of oil and water. I'm a geek and a nerd, so what better way to show it than by doing an experiment. I want to know what happens when you mix oil and water together, why they separate, and why they behave the way they do. So, let's go and get this experiment started, and some of the things that you're going to need are vegetable oil and water, salt, a clear cup or a container, and some food coloring, but that's optional. I added water 3/4 of the way up. Then I added 1 drop of food coloring of my choice into the glass. Afterwards, I took a spoon and I stirred in the coloring. I took the glass of vegetable oil that I had and poured it in so that it created a layer over the water. Notice how the oil separates from the water immediately. So why does oil and water separate? I couldn't remember the exact details from my old grade school science classes, so I did the research and now I can tell you why. For starters, oil is not soluble in water. Another reason why is because oil is a neutral liquid while water is polarized. What I mean by this is that water molecules are positively and negatively charged at both ends or polarized, while oil is neither, hence being neutral or non-polarized. Polarized molecules tend to stick with each other, and the same applies to non-polarized molecules. This creates the effect where the oil and water separate, resulting in no mixture of the two. So why does oil float to the top? It's because water is a lot more dense compared to oil, and so it'll sink more towards the bottom while pushing the oil towards the top, thus creating this. But we're not done just yet. Remember when I told you that you'll be needing some salt? Get a teaspoonful and pour that in. Watch what happens. I got really excited and wanted to do it again, so I'm going to give you another demonstration. This time I kept on adding salt, and I was able to make the effect more continuous. So why does this happen? I found out that the salt, which is even denser than the water, carries globs of the oil and drags it down with it to the bottom. Another thing to keep in mind is that salt dissolves. Once the salt dissolves, it frees up the oil, which allows the oil to rise up again. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah? So thanks for watching and joining me. If you liked this video, push the like button down below. Let me know if you guys have any comments or questions or any suggestions about what you guys want me to do next. So, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.